Morning, Marky boy. How's it going? It's looking nice, mate. Whoosh, whoosh. It's looking really nice. So here's Lowry Bay. It's looking as such a nice evening. Oh, so can't wait to get out on the water. Anyway, welcome to Family Kitchen with Mark. Good morning. We are in Paraparaumu today. Good morning, and what a lovely morning it is today. So we are on west coast of New Zealand, looking the tide is. So welcome to Family Kitchen with Mark. Wow, it's been a long time. And so we're in Wellington Harbour today. So we are in Port Taranaki this morning. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll see you on the water. This will be a real special day today. Wait, let's go. So we're gonna mix it up today and we see what we get. Tight lines. Right, eh? Can I get that? Oh my goodness, not again. First fish of the day, that's a kahawai for sure. That is a kahawai. That's a kahawai. Sure, it's a kahawai. Oh, it's got a bit of weight to it, though. Shit, that might not be a kahawai. It's pulling me. Oh no, it got off. Lemon. Another shark again. Alright, mate. Alright. And they've got a spine at the back, you see. Oh look, I've got something good. I've got something good. Leave it. Something good. Okay. Get the same tip. I'm in, mate. Oh, it's a barracuda. Barracuda. Yeah. Oops. Not bad size barracuda. Yeah. Right. Oh yeah. Now that is a good livey. It's quite big. Oh yeah. Could be a snapper, mate. It's got the head stakes. Yeah, snapper. Good size snapper as well. Yeah, but that's a nice snapper. Ah, It's another one of those carpet sharks. Got another carpet shark, Mark. Yeah, it's a snapper. That's not, it's a kahawai. It did not run around like a kahawai normally would. Oh my goodness, eel. That's not bad, that's not got some weight to it. It is. So wait. This one's a better one. Yeah. I wonder what it is. It's like a snapper. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. Look at the size of that. It's another eel. Jeez. Another eel. Big beast. Look how big that one is. Yeah. Oh no, it's another. It's a fuck off. Yes, off. Oh, yeah. Shark. They've got spikes on there. There's spikes just behind their fin here. Just behind their dorsal. In the head's like a snapper. Whoa, two snapper. Oh, baby one, and look at that. Wow, that's a good snapper though. That's a good snapper. So just got a good sized snapper. Good sized snapper. Oh, it's unusual fish. Really unusual. Oh jeez. Great big, oh, great big shark, man. Carpet shark. Great big one, man. Yeah. Yeah. Carpet shark. Alright, but its head's straight down. Hopefully. Oi, snapper!
Yeah, boy.
No, John Dory!
Oh, wicked.
Johnny Dory, mate!
Oh, awesome fish.
Oh, it's a really cool fish to catch.
Yeah, really cool.
So this is a John Dory. A John Dory. Yeah, it's not a snapper. It is a snapper.
Yes.
Nice, Marky boy. It's only a small one. So cool. So yeah, got a nice snapper. So nice snapper. Pop him in there. Whee! See ya, mate. Snapper. Another snapper, Marky boy. Hey, only a small one again, mate. They're like barbless hooks. Hey, and you're going to go anyway. Lovely. See ya. Don't go around my anchor. Don't. Keep on top. Yeah, nice. Okay. Oh, it's a fatty. It's a fatty. Not a big one, but fat. No, it is on. Still on. It's a kahawai. Nice. Nice one, nice one. Yeah, I'll have a snapper, dude. So yeah, good sized kahawai. Nice. Yeah, it's a good size, really are good. No, really good. And they just look so pretty. Gorgeous fish. Gorgeous fish. Good sized kahawai. Good sized kahawai. Nice and fat. Probably about 45 centimetres. Nice one. So, nice good sized snapper. Is it? Wow, it's a big snapper. No, it's not. Wow. Nice. Wow, nice. The fish. Whoa. Okay, but that's a good fish. Nice one. Wow, nice. I will leave a description. Your fish. That's good. Keep having it. Yep. Yeah, it's another kahawai. Yeah, another kahawai. Whoops. Cut out my line. A nice snapper. Very nice snapper. Nice one. That's what that's doing. It's a big fish, mate. Good.
Oh, so medium size.
And that was on the flimsiest of hooks, eh? Yeah. Far out, man. That's not a bad size though, eh? So nice snapper, New Zealand snapper. Yeah. I think snapper again because it's just coming straight up. Now it's having a little bit of a run. That's a kahawai. How funny, that did not catch like a kahawai. Ooh. So caught a nice kahawai. No. Hey. Yeah, so kahawai. Now if you are going to keep the kahawai like I am, then you need to bleed them first as well, otherwise the meat's no good. You could be lucky actually, pour the coffee, that's when we're going to get the, now don't go around there. Come out here, it's a nice big snapper. It's another snapper. Yeah. So good size snapper again. 4-hour session. And only use one bar. Oh yeah, that's a good size snapper. And it only used one bar of the battery. So amazing, really. Oh, this is a good size snapper. This is, I think, the biggest of the lot. Yeah, that's a good size. Good size snapper. That's a big one. Oh, can't even fit it in the net. Fit it in the net. Eesh. Don't pull because you're flipped around. Can I hit it in the net? Jeez. And even if I wanted to put this back, which is a shame because it's come from such a depth, see his guts have come out, so I've got to keep him in that though, you know. But that's a good size snapper. Really good size snapper. Really good size. So nice. That's a good size. Another snapper. Good snapper, but this one I'm gonna, oh, no, what it is it's two, and there's a shark on there as well. Oh shit. That's a snapper. Cool. So we're letting that one go. Go on. A bit of a spike. Okay, cool. Alright, mate. Okay. Yeah. Beautiful fish. Popped him back as well. It's starting to get a little bit choppy though, that's the only thing. A little bit choppy. Around my sea anchor. Yes, double. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Got it around my sea anchor. Oops. Might bring in my sea anchor as well. Yeah, and crazy. Oh, yes, around, yeah. Look at that, a double hookup on snapper. And they're good as well. Oh no, it's a kahawai as well. Some I've used it. But it's just amazing. Yeah, so nice kahawai. And snapper. No way, man. Oh. Hey, kahawai, nice. There you go, mate. Take it easy. Nice, dude. Yeah. Nice, man. Throw me in to get a bit. Yay. Nice, man.
Yeah, brother.
Cool, dude.
I've never done this.
Nice. Yeah, and that is a monster eel. Jeez. Check out the size of that one. Whoa. It's a big eel. Yes, ouch. What's he coming in? Snapper. Look at that snapper. Look at the size of that snapper. Fuck! Hoo, 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 hoo. That's a mother. Shit. Oh man, that is massive. Massive. Shit. Check it out. Big.